You can now use AI to generate custom images, backgrounds, and other graphics for your web projects. Let me show you how to use it. First, open the Settings panel. Scroll down to find the Generating Images with AI section. Make sure to enable this feature to unlock the image generation capabilities. Currently, 2 image generation models are available from Google, Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro. Next, choose your provider, either OpenRouter or Google. Once you have configured the settings, click Save to apply the changes. To generate images, we will use the Smart HTML Edit Pages action found in the Smart menu. Select the elements you want to modify. In this example, I will select these 3 feature cards. In the prompt box, type your instruction. Add images to these cards. It is important to explicitly add the command generate them. This tells the AI to create new images immediately, bypassing the initial search for existing project assets. The AI assistant will now process your request. It generates a unique image prompt for each selected element based on its context, and then waits for the images to be created. Once all images are ready, the assistant runs a final pass to integrate them seamlessly into your HTML structure. And here we are, the AI has successfully generated and inserted relevant images into each of the 3 cards. But we can do even more fun things with this tool. Let's switch to another project called Moss and Pine, featuring 2 unique characters. Suppose we want to generate scenes from their adventure. If we simply ask the AI to generate images from scratch, the resulting characters likely won't match the specific visual style of our original illustrations. To ensure consistency, we can use existing images as references. So select both character images. With the images selected, enter your prompt. Let's ask it to create a gallery of adventures featuring our heroes Moss and Pine. Crucially, add the phrase as shown in these images. This explicitly tells the AI to use the selected elements as source material for the generation process. The AI assistant detects that you have selected images and passes them as inputs to the generation model. This allows the model to understand the specific character design and artistic style. As a result, the new images will maintain strong visual consistency with your original artwork. Let's take a look at the result. The images look great, but let's make them bigger by telling the AI to display larger images. Here they are. Notice how the characters are totally consistent with our original heroes, Moss and Pine. They retain the same look and feel across different scenes. This makes it incredibly easy to expand your visual assets while keeping your brand or artistic style intact. Let me show you one more cool feature. Here on the Pinegrow website, we have a section showcasing our team members. Let's edit these photos using the Smart HTML Edit Element action. I will select just this specific team grid element to save tokens by not processing the entire page. Now, type the instruction. Add cute orange hats and mustaches to team members. Press Enter to start the process. This demonstrates how you can essentially edit existing images directly within the layout. The AI doesn't modify your original source files. Instead, it uses them as a visual reference, combines them with your text prompt, and generates entirely new image files. It then automatically updates the HTML source attributes to display these new versions, keeping your original safe. And there we go. We all have orange hats and mustaches now. While the style might be a bit random, this proves how easily you can batch edit multiple images on your page with a single prompt. This is a powerful new feature in Pinegrow that can save you a lot of time.